Now we're going to work the wings. We're going to make 2 of them. For the wings, we're going to begin in a magic ring. We want to do 6 single crochet into there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the first stitch of round 2, we're going to do an increase, followed by 2 single crochet. 1, 2. And then we're going to repeat in the next stitch, increase, followed by 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So you should have 8 stitches in your round. For round 3, we will do a single crochet, 1, another one, a single crochet, 2, and another one, a single crochet, 3, followed by an increase, 1, 2. And we're going to repeat that one more time, 3 single crochet, followed by an increase. So you should have 10 stitches all the way around. For round 4, we will do 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by an increase. 1, 2. We will repeat that all the way around. I will meet you at the end. At the end of round 4, you should have 12 stitches all the way around. For round 5, we will do 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by a decrease. So once again, insert your hook into the front loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, front loop again, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will repeat that one more time. 4 single crochet, decrease. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 5. You should have 10 stitches all the way around. For the final round, round 6, we will do 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, followed by a decrease. We will repeat that one more time. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 6. We will cut the yarn, leave a long tail for sewing, we're not going to stuff it because they're the wings, they're supposed to be flat. Put the yarn through the tapestry needle, and then we will fasten off. Insert your needle into the front loop of the next stitch, from the bottom up, the front loop of the next one, down, up, keep it loose, down, up, down, up, down, and up, and then we're going to pull it tight to close it off. You will insert the needle back into the center and into the side. Like that. And we're going to leave the tail because we're going to sew it onto the body. We're going to make 2 of these. So now we're working on our feet. For our feet, we're going to take our orange yarn. We're going to do 6 single crochet into a magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For round 2, we're going to do an increase into the first stitch. Followed by 2 single crochet. Then we're going to repeat that one more time and increase. Followed by 2 single crochet. So now you have 8 stitches all the way around. We're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch for round 3. Pull the tail tight, flip it inside out so our right side is facing us. Now we're going to cut the yarn, leave a tail. And then we're going to fasten it off like normal into the front loop from the bottom up. 1, the next stitch, the front loop down, up, and then we're going to pull it tight, and that'll give us one of our feet. We're going to make 2 of them. So here we're now working on the beak. For the beak, we're going to do 4 single crochet into a magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4. For round 2, we will do an increase into the first stitch. Followed by 2 single crochet. Then we will repeat to an increase, followed by 2 single crochet. Pull your yarn, leave a tail, flip it inside out so the right side is facing us.
To a yarn needle. And we're going to weave it in like before. That'll give us our beak.